everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm a distributor with Kangen Water Ionizers. And on today's video I'd like to talk a little bit about the science behind Kangen Water and show you exactly what happens inside the process that creates Kangen Water. By the end of this video you'll see exactly why Kangen Water is so incredibly important and beneficial in all of our lives. So in a nutshell, Kangen Water is tap water that's been filtered and then ran through a small kitchen appliance about the size of a toaster or a coffee maker. It's called a water ionizer. So this water ionizer machine uses electricity in the form of electrolysis to change the molecular structure of the water. The electrolysis process is a technique that uses a direct electric current along with positively and negatively charged metal plates to drive an otherwise non-spontaneous chemical reaction. In the Kangen Water machines, the electrolysis process is carried out in the electrolysis chamber of the machine, and it's used to change the chemical structure of the water molecules. Initially, this produces hydrogen ions, H+, hydroxide anions, OH-. So as the reactions continue, they ultimately lead to the production of water that is incredibly full and rich with molecular hydrogen gas, H2, and full of oxygen gas, O2. Which are all beneficial to the body. This drinking water is in the pH range of 8.5 pH to 9.5 pH, and it's ionized alkaline water, also known as alkalized or electrolyzed-reduced water, and hydrogen-rich water. The most beneficial part of the Kangen water is the molecular hydrogen that it contains, this H2 gas. So let's take a look in depth at this electrolysis process. And let's see what happens to the water molecules as they pass over these electrically charged platinum-dipped titanium plates inside the Kangen Water Ionizer machine. And let's see how this molecular hydrogen is formed. Water molecules consist of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. This electrolysis process disassociates or splits apart some of these water molecules into their individual atoms and causes them to reform as different molecules. In one scenario, when the electricity hits the water molecule, it causes one of the hydrogen atoms to break off, creating one standalone H+ proton, which is acidic, and the leftover oxygen and hydrogen still bonded together. This pair is chemically referred to as OH- and is a hydroxide anion, which is alkaline. These hydroxide anions are what cause the alkaline pH in the Kangen water. Many of the free hydrogen protons quickly pair up, grab an extra electron, and become bonded pairs of H2, also known as hydrogen gas, diatomic hydrogen, or molecular hydrogen. In another scenario, when the electricity hits the water molecule, it's strong enough to disassociate or knock off both hydrogen protons. When this happens to 2 water molecules at the same time, their single oxygen atoms join up to form O2, also known as oxygen gas. And these free-floating hydrogen protons also quickly link up, grab an extra electron, and form molecular hydrogen. The electrolysis process splits the water into 2 streams, one positively charged acidic stream which flows out from the lower hose on the ionizer machine, and one negatively charged alkaline water stream which flows out the top tube of the ionizer and becomes our Kangen drinking water. In this electrolysis process, the naturally occurring minerals in our tap water also gravitate towards the positive or negative charge plates, depending on their charges. Chlorine and sodium are negatively charged, so they flow towards that positively charged plate and end up in the acidic portion of the water coming out of the lower hose on the ionizer. Beneficial minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium positive charge, and so they flow towards the negatively charged plates and flow with that alkaline water stream out that top hose of the ionizer machine. So this alkaline stream of Kangen water coming out of the top hose of the ionizer machine contains oxygen, it contains molecular hydrogen, it contains hydroxide anions, as well as these alkaline minerals, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are all extremely beneficial for your body. Because the molecular structure of the water has been changed through this process of electrolysis, this restructured ionized water is known as electrolyzed-reduced water, ionized water, alkalized water, and hydrogen-rich water, and it's also known as Kangen water. So now that you understand how Kangen water is created, let's look at each of these components that make up Kangen water and see why exactly they are so beneficial for your body. So calcium, magnesium, and potassium, these are three of the most important minerals found in your body, and they are useful in assisting your body in making protein, bone, and DNA. They help regulate fluid balance in your body. They regulate muscle and nerve function. They regulate blood sugar levels, and they may even help reduce blood pressure, protect against strokes, and prevent against osteoporosis and kidney stones. Because these minerals are naturally found in your tap water and are alkaline in nature, they are abundant in Kangen water. The increased levels of oxygen in Kangen water lead to more oxygen in your blood supply. The hydroxide ions act as electrically charged alkaline components in the water, allowing it to assist the body by maintaining its proper blood pH and reducing the stress from an overly acidic diet. So you might not realize how much acidity we put in our bodies, but things like red meat, soda, processed foods, and even bottled water are all acidic. So our bodies are always working overtime to maintain the proper blood pH that our bodies require. So this blood pH range is between 7.35 and 7.45, which is a slightly alkaline pH. So all of the acidity that we're consuming into our bodies has to be regulated and offset in order to maintain this alkaline environment. And these alkaline minerals and the alkaline OH negative, the hydroxide anion buffer, allow the body to assist in maintaining this balance. And last but not least, the Kangen water contains molecular hydrogen, which is one of the most incredible antioxidants on the planet. Molecular hydrogen targets and neutralizes damage-causing free radicals in our body and helps our bodies reduce the oxidative stress that these free radicals cause. So why is it that we care so much about this molecular hydrogen? Molecular hydrogen is the smallest antioxidant on the planet. So it's extremely beneficial. It's small enough to cross cellular membranes. It's also small enough to cross the blood-brain barrier, making it capable of traveling anywhere inside of our bodies and neutralizing and protecting against these damage-causing free radicals throughout our body. So free radicals are highly unstable molecules that are caused by electronics, pollution, foods, drinks, digestion, and even our body's natural waste processes. So these free radicals cause damage to our cells, they cause damage to our mitochondria, they cause damage to our DNA, and this damage is known as oxidative stress. As an antioxidant, molecular hydrogen is able to neutralize these free radicals and protect against future harm. They can repair damage that's already caused as well. So molecular hydrogen can even signal gene expression in our DNA, which makes it extremely beneficial in our bodies. To see exactly how beneficial this molecular hydrogen can be, let's take a look at this list of diseases and disorders that molecular hydrogen may help protect against and may even assist the body in repairing and healing from. Allergies, Alzheimer's and dementia, autoimmune disorders and thyroid conditions, various types of cancers, degenerative diseases including MS, ALS, and Parkinson's, diabetes type 1 and type 2, obesity and weight loss, reproductive issues such as endometriosis and PCOS, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and muscle, bone, and joint pain, skin conditions such as rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis, and many, many other oxidative stress-related diseases can be helped with molecular hydrogen. Molecular hydrogen can improve cellular hydration, cognitive health, cardiovascular health, liver and kidney health, digestive health, plus it can even improve your energy, your endurance, and even improve your sleep. So as you can see, molecular hydrogen is very, very important to our bodies, and Kangen water is full of this incredible antioxidant. So as you can see, Kangen water is packed full of some incredible superpower components, and drinking Kangen water can allow your body to protect, repair, and heal from these damages caused by free radicals and from our often highly acidic lifestyles. Kangen Water offers healthy and sustainable alternative to filtered and bottled waters. And because none of these other options contain antioxidants, Kangen Water is the absolute best choice you can make for your body. So I hope this video has helped you understand how Kangen Water is formed and why it is so beneficial. If you've got any additional questions about Kangen Water or about all of the incredible benefits, please feel free to leave me a message, send me a DM, leave me a comment, and if someone referred this video to you, please be sure to get back in touch with them. I want to thank you so much for watching this video and for spending your time with me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you again real soon.